Hello, my name is Cara and I'm here to teach you a very short video on how to open and activate your palm or hand chakras. It's very simple, so let's start. Bringing the hands in together at the dantian, which can be either the sacral or the solar plexus for some people. Coming in, feel the energy, come into connection with the chi or the prana flowing between the hands. Then come in, rub the palms together as fast as you can, lightly, and feel the energy building. Feel the chi and prana running through the palms, the fingers, the thumbs, and then release. Making the chi ball feel this energy. The next section we're going to do, or the next layer, is one palm faces up, one palm faces down. Up and down, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, like so, up and down. Then the next layer is making a fist and releasing the fingers, then turning. Make a fist, release the fingers and turn. Make a fist, release the fingers and then turn one up to heaven and one down to earth. And we keep doing this. When we put this all together, we do this for a maximum of 20 to activate the palm chakras. So let's do that all together. Coming in. Connect with the chi. Bring the palms together. Feel the magnetic pull of the earth. As we're doing this, we're going to rub the palms together as fastly as possible. And then coming back out, starting the fist pumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bringing the hands together. Feel that beautiful divine energy. Breathing in and out and connect in whichever way you feel comfortable. I would feel this energy expanding. Opening the palm chakras. Palm chakras run all the way to the heart, which is where the soul resides. And then bring that energy in. Feel that energy of the solar plexus. Bring it up to the heart. Sitting in Namaste. Thank you for watching my video. There will be more to follow. I'm available and online as Cara Amira. You can find me, you can find my website. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and also I will be releasing some videos on qigong, dance, sacred dance, yoga, meditation, breath as soon as possible. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.